Good morning. It's my great pleasure to welcome you today to the Network Forum Middle East meeting. On behalf of Boursa Kuwait, I would like to extend my gratitude to the Network Forum for giving us the opportunity to co-host this event and highlight the latest capital market developments in the Middle East and North Africa. The MENA region has seen many enhancements during the past few years. Capital markets across the region proved to be resilient. Throughout the pandemic and across MENA, stock markets were still able to attract local and international investors, launch an assortment of products and services, and see a lot of companies list. Accomplishments that I'm sure we are all proud of.
So it gives me great pleasure to welcome our moderator for the next panel, who's Rami Al-Dokhani, who's Secretary General at the recently rebranded Arab Federation of Capital Markets.
We have a fantastic panel today, the top members of AFCM, and I'll do a quick introduction by name. We have Mrs. Noura, she's the head of market sectors at Kuwait Stock Exchange. Kuwait Stock Exchange had a fantastic IPO and it went public recently. I think in a year and a half or 18 months, something like that. Can you share with us your experience about that? What's changed in Kuwait Stock Exchange ever since?
I mean, the changes happened prior to the listing. I mean, since we took over the operations of Kuwait Stock Exchange, everything was basically built in preparation for our IPO. We had a strategy that both focused on the internal structure of the company, reorganizing the structure of the exchange, and the other part of the strategy focused on the market developments and infrastructure. So we were working both hand in hand, externally and internally. All the processes and procedures were designed with a clear line between the internals and the externals, even treating Boursa Kuwait as, a future listed company in terms of compliance with the bylaws of the CMA, the compliance with anything that is related to the workings of the exchange.
We have seen the index growing by 28% since the beginning of the year, and market cap as of the end of October exceeded $130 billion. So tell me about the numbers.
We've outperformed the market by the all share index by around 60%. We did 93% in performance since the beginning of the year. It's all about, having a clear vision, a clear strategy, and being able to implement it. And this is what basically adds the value to the company.
Greetings from the Network Forum here in London. We've just run our successful Middle East Forum for the banking and investment management community around the world. We had a fascinating look at some of the market developments that are happening in the region from the perspective of the financial market infrastructures, the sub-custodian banks, and also the network managers.
None of this would have been possible without the support of the local market infrastructures, Boursa Kuwait and KCC, alongside our other partners. We had a great time, we hope everybody else did too, and we're very much looking forward to seeing everybody in person next year.